Together सीताराम 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 कहिए, कही दीदी रघु राम, कही दीदी रहिए। सीताराम 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 कहिए, कही दीदी रघु राम, कही दीदी रहिए। सीताराम कही दीदी मुख में सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। वर्णानाम् अर्थसङ्गानाम् रसानाम् छन्दसामपि मङ्गलानाम् च कर्तारो वन्दे विनायको। भवानी शङ्करौ वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणो। याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धस्वान्तस्थमेश्वरम्। वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणम्। यमाचितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्र सर्वत्र वन्द्यते। शरणागतदीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते हये भयस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। राम 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 रथ हाके वो है राम तना हे नाय। देखी निषाद विषाद बस धोई शीस पछताए। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय राम। जासु वियोग विठल बसवैसे प्रजा मात पितु जियहि कैसे। भर बस राम तेरे नाई देखी निषाद विषाद बस धुन ही शीस पचिताई। श्यावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। भगवान जी, Maharaja Dasarath ji was preparing for his Rajyabhishekam, but it was divine intervention. पूर्वासिन देखे कब हो यही काली, पूर्वासिन देखे कब हो यही काली, लेकिन बिघन मनावही देव कुचाली। पूर्वासिन देखे कब हो यही काली, काल means tomorrow morning. It was time that tomorrow morning Rajabhisheka would be done. But you remember, I told you that was not the purpose of Bhagavan Ji. Bhagavan Ji's taking avatar was not, the purpose was not to go on the throne and be the king. No, that was not the purpose. The purpose was असुर मारि थापहि सुरन राकहि सुर श्रुति सेतु। Asura Mari Thapahi Suran, for the Devatas. He came for the sake of the Devatas, for the sake of the Mahatmas, for the sake of the Sadhaks, and for the sake of the Bhagtas. And when it was just about for his Rajyabhishekam, the crowning to a king of Ayodhya, Bighan Manavahi Deva Kuchali. The Devatas were not happy with this. Normally, when a prince will be crowned to a king, it's a happy occasion. And everybody will be happy. The people were happy to see that. But the Devatas were not happy. And that's why the Devatas went to Mother Saraswati. That is the only way out now, because everything is set already. Everything is set for action. The only way out is they went to Mother Saraswati and requested Mother Saraswati, because Mother Saraswati resides in the tongue. Bhavani Shankarau Vande Shraddha Vishwas Rupinau Yabhyam Vinana Pashanti Siddha Swantastamishya. And Mother Saraswati, whatever we say that is with the kripa of the Mother, in the form of Saraswati. Kavi ur ajir nachawahi bani. Kavi ur ajir nachawahi bani. So the twisting of the tongue and whatever comes out of the mouth with words, that depends on Mother Saraswati. So the Devatas went to Mother Saraswati and requested her, "Oh Mother, you are now my only solution." And she asked, "What? What do you want?" He said, "The purpose of Bhagavan Ramji is not being crowned as the king, but to go and to liberate all the siddhas, all the munis, and to relieve this whole earth from distress, to establish dharma again." That was the purpose. So please do something. And then Mother Saraswati said, "Okay, I can do something." And then Mother Saraswati twisted the tongue and the buddhi of Manthara. Have you heard of Manthara? Twisted the buddhi of Manthara. So at that time, Manthara also, whatever she said under influence, not from herself. She said it under influence. But whatever is said, is said. And that's why we have to be very, very careful. वाणी मारे वान से व्याघा मारे तीर, शब्दी मारे शब्द से साले सकल शरीर. We have to be very careful when we utter the words. Words, the speed of words is much, much more than the speed of a bullet from a gun. And maybe the arrow from a bow is very fast, and when it creates a wound, the wound will heal maybe in a month, let's say. And you will forget about it and go about your life in maybe a year, 2 years, 3 years. But words, the arrows of words will stay with you for life. With the pain of an arrow only or a bullet only, you have local pain. If it is in your hands, then it is in your hands. If it is in your feet, it is in your feet. Wherever locally you will have pain. And that will heal. But the pain of words will ache the whole body. While it didn't touch the body at all. It didn't touch the body at all. So anything what touches the body will heal. But when something touches the mind, whether it is harsha or vishad, whether it is happiness or sadness, whatever it is, when it touches the mind, then the whole body suffers from that. So the Devatas requested Mother Saraswati, and Manthara put in the head of Kaikeyi that I will only be satisfied. I will only be satisfied if my conditions are met. And what are those conditions? Those conditions are that first, my son Bharat will get to sit on throne. Number one. Number two, Ram with Sita. He said only Ram. Ram has to go to exile from Ayodhya in Valkal Vastra, means as a sadhu. As a sadhu. Why as a sadhu? As a sadhu because if he goes as a prince, he will take some of the richdom with him. The second thing is, if a prince goes somewhere, then later on they can attack again, make a military themselves and attack again, and then get the kingdom back. So the condition was that he will go to exile as a sadhu. And Bhagavan Ramji, because Dasarath ji hearing this was so caught by it and so distressed by it, so Ramji, the duty of a putra, the duty of a putra, a son, who nam narakasya trayate iti putra, who is called putra. In English you can say son. Son is son, means biological son. But every son doesn't become putra or putri. Son and daughter. You can have biological son and daughter, but when the son and daughter, they live up to dharma and they live up to the duties for the mother and the father. And when Bhagavan Rama, he saw his father in such distress, then he said, no, it is my duty to remove the pain of my father. And he agreed. And agreed also because he knew his purpose. He knew his purpose of coming here. He knew that his purpose was to go and meet the rishis and the munis and the bhaktas. And he knew that Ayodhya is waiting for him. So he had to go to the jungle with some kind of excuse. And this was the excuse then. And when he went there, he said, I have to leave. When he was leaving, then all the Purvasi, all the people started following him. And he said to Sumantra, Sumantra was the closest helper of Maharaja Dasharatha. Just like an uncle. And he took the chariot with Ram, Lakshmana and Sita and went towards the jungle. But the people didn't leave him alone. They followed. And when Bhagavan Ramji came on the bank of the Ganga, the Ganges, there he had to cross the Ganga, and then he told Suman, now you have to go back to Ayodhya. You have to go back to Ayodhya. So he sent Suman back to Ayodhya. When he was going, then Goswami Tulsidas said, Ki ratha kev hai ram tanu heri heri naaye dekhi nishad vishad vasa dunai si sapachitaye. Even the horses, even the animals get attached to human beings when they see that they are their well-wishers. They say, Bhal anabhal pashu pakshin janav. Bhal anabhal pashu pakshin janav. They can sense, animals can sense who is doing or who have good intentions for them and who has bad intentions for them. When you're walking down the street, you see dogs walking there. Many times they don't say anything. But to certain people, they will run and start barking. Why? Some people, if they left right there, nothing happened to them. But when somebody else comes, they can feel that there is something wrong. Their vibration is not according to mine. So I have to protect myself. But when they get close to you, then they get as close to you that they think it is my family. And even these horses, they didn't want to leave Bhagavan Ram. And again, when Sumant was riding them, they looked back and they make sounds as, why do you take me from here? I want to go with Sri Rama too. And all the Nishad family, the people who are living in the jungle, all the Nishad family, they knocked their head and they said, look at this. If the animals are in such distress, if animals are in such distress, what would be the condition of the mother and father and the whole family? So now, Bhagavan Ramji has to cross the Ganga River. And he cannot do that without a boat because it's too deep. And the one boat, what was there, that was the boat of Kevat. Kevat, boatman. So Tulsidas, he says, Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Kevat means the boatsman. Mangi navan kevatayana kahai tumhara marma mai jana. Kevat, the boatsman, when Bhagavan Ramji says, okay, boatsman, bring the boat here, we have to go across. Then Kevat refused to do that. Normally, when you go, people who ride the bus, they are looking for people. Oh, you come, you come, you come. You don't have to ask them twice. They will call you. Even the boatsman for business, they will call you. Oh, come here, cross with me, cross with me, cross with me. For the business. But in this case, Mangi now na kevat ana. Kevat says, no, I will not bring my boat like this. Why? He says, Kahi tumhar maram mai jana. I know your secret. That's why I will not bring my boat. So Ramji said, why not? You are a boatsman. I am here on the shore of the Ganga. I want to go across. It is your duty. It is your duty as a boatman to bring me across. But then Kewar says, no. I know, because Charana Kamal Raja Kahu Sap Ahi, Charana Kamal Raja Kahu Sap Ahi, Manush Karani Murkachu Ahi, Manush Karani Murkachu Ahi. He said, because I have heard that the dust of your feet, makes human being. And when you come and touch my boat will turn into human being. Boat means, when referring to the story of Ahilya. Ahilya was a statue of stone. She became a statue of stone because of Sapa. But the Guruji said that, okay, Bhagavan Ram will come one day and liberate you. So when Bhagavan Ramji touched with his feet, then she became alive. So Kewar says, yes, if this happened to my boat, if this happens to my boat, and my boat turns into Nari, a woman, what will I do? This is the only means. This is the only means of earning for me. This is the way that I feed me and my family. And when this turns into a Nari, what will happen with me? Now I have to take care of one. Then it will be big problem. So Kewar says, no, I will not bring my boat like that. Chuat sila bhaye nari suhai, chuat sila bhaye nari suhai, pahan tena kath kathinayi, pahan tena kath kathinayi. Said, my boat is made from wood. My boat is made from wood. And wood is not stronger than stone. Wood is much softer than stone. So if stone can turn into Nari, then what will happen to my much weaker boat? Tuttanaya muni dharani hoi jai, baat paraye moi naava udai, naava udai. When my boat will be gone, I will have no livelihood anymore. All this dialogue is going on, and Kewar is going on saying that I will not bring my boat like this here. So Bhagavan Ramji said, why are you not bringing your boat? What is the reason? Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Pratipala sab parivar, nahi jaane ho kachua aur kapar, jo Prabhu
प्रतिपालनी सब परिवारो, नहीं जानऊ कछु और कबारो.
This is my livelihood and this is the only thing I know. I've grown up here as a boatsman and this is the only thing I know. This is the only business I know to earn something and to feed me and my family.
जो प्रभु पार अवश्य जाचहूं.
If you want to go, if you really want to go across,
तो जो प्रभु पार अवश्य जाचहूं, जो प्रभु पार अवश्य जाचही, मोहि पद पदुमा पखारन कहूं.
if you want to go across, then only one condition I can let you step on my boat, that is when you let me wash your feet. Wash your feet. Why? To get all the dust out. Because it was the dust of the feet, of the lotus feet, what? Made a nari from stone. But in actuality, was that the real reason? No, that was not the real reason. Keyword, he saw the great opportunity that anybody in lives can have just to wash the feet of Bhagavan Ji. On the other side, Ganga. Ma Ganga itself get very happy. Why? Because Ganga Ji saw the place where she was born.
जिनके पद नख निकली सुरसरी, जिनके पद नख निकली सुरसरी, शिव के जटा समाई.
It was from the nail of the big toe that Ganga Ji was born from in the Swarga. And from the Swarga, then it came in the jata on the head of Bhagavan Shankar Ji. So Ganga Ji, when she saw the lotus feet of Bhagavan Ji, she got overexcited and happy too, because now with the Ganga water will go to the lotus feet of Bhagavan Ji. So Ganga is happy, Kewar is extremely happy that now Bhagavan Ramji, in other words, I got him cornered. He cannot cross, he cannot stay here, he has to go across because he has to go on his mission, the Vanvasa. So he has to cross the Ganga. He cannot cross just like that, and I am the only one now here. It happened so that in that spot, he was the only one. So he said, यही परिपाल ही सब परिवारो, नहीं जानो कछु और खबारो, जो प्रभु पार अवश्य का जा कहूं, कि मोहि पद पद्मों पखारन कहूं. Let me wash your feet. And Goswami Tulsidas Ji indicates,
पद कमल धोय चढ़ाय नावन नाथ उतरा ही कहूं. पद कमल धोय चढ़ाय नावन नाथ उतरा ही कहूं. राम राम आनंद सपथ सपथा धोय चढ़ाई नावन कछु उतराई चहूं.
O Nath, let me wash your feet. I promise, if I can wash your feet, I will not even take any penny from you. I will take nothing from you. I will just put you across, but let me wash your feet. Kevat, very clever bhakta. Very clever bhakta. मोहि राम रावर आन दशरथ सपद सब सांची कहौ. I am taking the oath that I am saying the truth. I will not take anything. Just let me wash your feet, and that is the only condition. It's very hard to hear from a businessman who have a livelihood and say, okay, well, I will not take anything from you. While he declared before, this is my only livelihood. And here it says, Barutir marahu lakhan paijab, lagin paay pakhayam. He said, because Lakshmanji came as the warrior. Lakshmanji came as the protector of Bhagavanji, Ram and Sita. So he said, even बहुतीर मारहि लखन पे जब लगिन पाय पखार हूं तब लगिन तुलसीदास नाथ कृपाल न पार उतार हूं. Even if Lakshman shoot me with bow and arrow, but still I will not put you across without washing your feet. Means he was ready to die for it. He was ready to die for it. To die for it means, yes, when you can wash the feet, lotus feet of Bhagavanji, and one side, if you can get the punya of washing the lotus feet and go to the abode of Bhagavanji, and one side, you can be killed by something. Which one would you choose to die for? Which one would you choose? As Kevat it is, wash the feet and go to the abode. So Tulsidas said, to suni Kevat ke pehna. Hearing Kevat say so, to suni Kevat ke pehna, prem lapete, lekin atapate. What is this here? It doesn't make sense and it makes sense. But what you can sense in there is a lot of love. The way he expressed himself is with a lot of love. To prema lapete atapate, to bihase karuna ain. You have in the Ramcharitmanas, in the Ramayana, Bhagavan Ramji, for Bhagavan Ramji, Tulsidas says, Hasana. Hasana, laughing. Bihasana. Bihasana means smiling. Smiling. So when Bhagavan Ramji heard that, loving words, but something what made sense and just didn't make sense. So he, of course, understood that this is the love of Kevat, to just wash my feet. And he just smiled and looked at Lakshmana and Sita. Look what he is saying. Look what he's saying.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Kripa se to bole muskai, सुगाये सोई करो जेहि तव नाव न जाई.
Bhagavan ji smiled and he said, okay, do whatever pleases you. Do whatever pleases you and do so that you will not lose your boat. Whatever you have to do, just do, but do it soon. Do it fast because it is getting down. It is getting dark soon. I have to go across. And it is dangerous and it is not good to cross the Ganga after I have to go on my mission.
तो कृपा सिंधु बोले मुस्काई सोई करो जेहि तव नाव न जाई. बेग आन जल पाय पखारो होत विलंबो उतार ही पारो.
अब बहुत देर हो गई है, जैसे कि तैसे अब मेरे को पार उतारिए. Just put me across. Now we don't have too much time, but the main question of Kevat says, not today. Today we are the same. Today we are the same. How the same? One is Bhagavan, one is Bhagavan ji, one is a prince, and the other one is just a boatman. But he said, no, Bhagavan ji, Sri Ram, today we are the same. He said, how they are the same? He said, today I will let you cross the Ganga, and when time comes, you will let me cross the Bhausagar. So I am the boatsman to put you across Ganga. You are the boatsman to put me across Bhausagar. That's why we are the same.
बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. 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 बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. उमापति महादेव की जय. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय. जय जय सीताराम.
All right, dear souls, let's prepare for Aarti.
This mic she had, the battery. The battery, yeah, but it's rechargeable. Oh, come in for it?
Yeah.
Where's the mic?
Just the ball.
I didn't know it would take it that.
Okay, let's make a line.
ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी. तुमको निस दिन सेवत तुमको निस दिन जावत हरि नाम शिवरी. ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मांग सिंदूर विराजत की को बिकमत को मैया की को बिकमत को.